So today I'm going to be doing our It's So Good to Be Home and our spring floral transfer on an 18 by 10 chalkboard. Now I'm just using several pieces from each transfer, and that's why I love Chalk Couture, is because all of our transfers are reusable and there are so many pieces to many of them that the design possibilities are completely endless. And remember, you can do this on wood, on walls, on canvas, so many different surfaces you could apply this to create beautiful home decor and projects for family and friends. Now I am using our white and Tahiti teal on the words of this project in our Chalkology chalk paste, and then for the florals I'm going to be using a coral, a white, a lime green, and a yellow. Now, the base of the flower that I did there is the bottom half of the flower. I need to let that dry before I apply the second layer, which is so cool that you're going to see here in a minute. So I'm just adding all the other little touches that I want to add, and then I'm going to add the detail part of the flower from this spring floral transfer. Now, I didn't like how that turned out, and since I haven't completely sealed my project yet, I'm just going to clean it with water and Clorox wipes, and then I'm going to go ahead and repeat that process with the lime green as the base and then the coral yellow as the top coat to give it that extra detail, and it turns out really great. So I would love to share Chalk Couture with you in a home setting doing a sip and chalk, or even if you're interested, I'd love to share Chalk Couture with you as a business opportunity. We are a ground floor company just starting to grow across the United States. Now, you could totally do this as a hobbyist and get the 40% discount, or you can turn this into a full-time business and share it with others, just like I'm doing with you. So get in touch with me. I hope you love this end result. My blog is www.letsgetchalkinwithjen.com.